maybe that was a little too hard. Should we try? Sorry. It didn't go through, so that's a plus side. Okay. So. It didn't go through.